Hi everyone, I'm Kate from Nanogirl. I'm a marine biologist, and that means that in the summer I love spending time at the beach with all the sand. But have you ever thought, what is sand? Well, did you know, sand is actually a mixture of more than one type of material, ground up really small. You can investigate what's in sand using just a magnet. My magnet is really tiny, so I stuck it on the end of a paperclip to make it easier to hold. I've got some sand. If I just pour it out onto my paper and smush it around a bit, if there's anything magnetic in this sand, it should jump up onto my magnet when I run it over the surface. So let's take a little look. I'm just going to run this magnet really carefully over the surface of the sand and see what jumps up. Oh, look at that! There's loads of black sand on the top of my magnet. That's iron, and that's probably come from the rocks around the beach that have been ground up into really tiny particles by waves. Next time you're at the beach, pack a magnet and go hunting for what's hidden in the sand. Have an awesome summer. Bye!